Today we're going to be making carne asada bowls with chimichurri and grilled zucchini. There are two ways to make the chimichurri. We're going to start by making it in a food processor. We're going to add our parsley, leaves and stems both. You're going to add your red wine vinegar, red pepper flakes, add as little or as much red pepper flakes as you like, garlic, 3 tablespoons of oil, and a good pinch of salt and pepper. We're going to pulse this until it's smooth and incorporated. Now, in case you don't have a food processor or a blender, I'm gonna show you how to make chimichurri by hand. We're gonna start by chopping these leaves as finely as we can. You're basically mincing the leaves. We're gonna transfer it over to our mixing bowl. We're gonna smash the garlic using the back of the knife. You're gonna keep running your knife through and through until you get very fine pieces. We're gonna add our garlic to the bowl, add your red pepper flakes, red wine vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Season generously with some salt and pepper, and then give it a good mix.